Today we're gonna make a tornado. We will need 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of liquid soap.
Ooh.
Let me shake it again one more time. Without the vinegar and dish soap, you cannot see it good. We're gonna make color tornadoes, and we already did red, yellow, blue. We're now going to make a green tornado.
Go. More. Okay, that's good. Let's stop. Put the lid back on it. And now, take the blue tornado. Are you ready to see the green tornado?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. What color is it now?
Green.
More. Put all the way up. Okay, stop. Go ahead. Shake it. Shake it. All right, yeah.
And now we're going to make orange. And this.
Okay, good.
And do you know what else is more fun? Purple!
You're gonna make purple too, you're right. You put the yellow. Enough. Shake it, shake it.
Orange tornado is purple.
Woo. Purple or brown?
Oh my goodness, like it's purple is like Pepsi. Oh my goodness.
Alright, put the lid on it and shake it too.
Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, it looks like Oh my goodness, this is kind of weird.
Alright. That is violet.
Oh, there it is. I can see it. We have fun making tornadoes. Thanks for watching.